This roof here would actually be a good one for the restoration. I don't know what all you're doing with this house, but we do a tile restoration where we seal the tile, and then it's like a dye that we paint it with, and it, absorbs into the tile. That mud would all be the same color, and then we put a sealer on it to where it all looks the same, so you don't have them, the light and the dark. And also, I noticed you got some places where you got some broken tile up on there. Really need to walk the thing out. You're missing some mud up the hips and stuff right there. I don't know exactly what all you're doing with it, but if you're trying to get it fixed up, might as well go ahead and police the whole roof area. See how you got your different color mud right there? What you do is you point that up. You clean up the bad mud there and point it up, and then like say we have this paint that we use, that you seal that all up, and then we can spray the tile, or we can just seal the tile. We can just seal the tile, and it's nice and shiny, and it looks more of a consistent color as opposed to all them different shades you have. But at least I would say, walk the complete system, check out all your mud joints, and replace I've seen about 3 or 4 broken tile. You got a couple sliding over by where the walls, like underneath the overhangs right up there. That wall cut's loose. Need to reseal that, and clean that wall flashing out while you're at it. But I don't know what all you want to do, but I'll send you this and we can go from there. This is at that 165. The stucco kick, it does need a stucco kick, but you got some more problems. See what you got up there? You got that valley and this valley dumping right here, so this is taking a lot of water coming right in this area here. Kind of close because I'm standing up on a little ladder here. Obviously you do need to, you're gonna have to cut this back a little more. You're gonna have to cut this back a little more, go back up underneath there and get you a stucco kick it out here, kick it out to 3 inches or something. Cut this tile here a little bit. Needs some kind of flashing, needs something to flash this off here, where this runs down here. Pull this drip out and put you some kind of flashing behind here on this, and then change this little piece of fascia here, just because the water's still going to get into this crack. Even if you change your stucco here and mud it, I would put a little piece of flashing that comes out like this behind this 1x up underneath there. And but you probably need some kind of diverter to get this, because what it's going to do is it keeps coming out. This wall here is going to keep getting wet, because that's a lot of water flushing off of there and nowhere for it to go. Or put some sort of drainage down here to get, but we can fix that for you. That's no big deal, cutting that back out of there, but it's still going to be an ongoing problem with all that water dumping from up in the top there. Okay, this is at that 165. And like I was saying with the close-up videos there, you really need like I know you don't want to put gutters on, no gutter on the front just because you don't have it anywhere else, but at least a diverter. You invert a piece of kind of like an L flashing across there to come out, maybe 3 tile there. Do it in the dark color like your drip edge there, so it doesn't show very bad. Just because there's just so much water that dumps from those 2 valleys onto there. The kick out's going to help, but that's not going to keep from, getting all that water going against that stucco constantly.